It's Brooklyn and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy. I hope you stay a while. It's currently 3:30 Sunday, January 12th, which is the day I upload, so I will be dropping a video today. But y'all seeing this video way after that video. But I got some clip-ins from Luv Me Hair. This is not sponsored, but hit my line. So I ordered 2 packs of clip-ins, and then it came with 2 hair clips and these mini flat irons. However, when I went on there to order my clip-ins, I saw good reviews on this hair, so I wanted to try it. But when I went to order it, it was like only black, like only the color black. And so my natural hair color, I don't know if y'all can see, but my natural hair color is like brown, it's dark brown, and this like don't match for real. So I'm about to dye this hair, y'all. I've never dyed hair in my life, but let's just try it. This is the 20-inch human hair clip-ins. Both packs for this. And yeah, so sorry y'all, I be needing thumbnails now, but I'm about to try and dye this hair. So I went to the hair store this morning. My mom had to come in with me because I didn't know what to get. I've never dyed no type of hair before. Never dyed my hair. And I'm actually scared to dye that hair because that hair was not cheap. But I was at the hair store. This is the hair dye I ended up getting. It's colored Cocoa Brown 3N. This is what it's saying it's going to look like from black, which is like basically my hair color. I hope it don't come out too brown because I don't plan on dyeing my hair anytime soon, but I might have to if I mess this up. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open it up and we're gonna see what it come with and try to dye this hair real quick. It come with this color activating cream, some intensive moisturizing conditioner, and then this, which is the neutral base. I think this is the actual like color, but I have no idea. And then the instructions, of course. So y'all, if y'all hear something, that's my issue. But we're gonna see how this goes. Try and dye this hair. I don't think I need to take this part off to do it, so I'm not going to. But I seen really good reviews on this hair. I'm super excited to try it. Number 1. If going lighter than natural hair color, so we're going lighter in this step. Apply color starting 1 inch away from scalp throughout the ends. What do you mean apply color? We're in the kitchen now and I'm about to start. 15. Oh wait, not 10 to 15 minutes. Didn't say 20 minutes. So it's 4:21 right now. So I'll be back at floor 41 to rinse, shampoo, and condition. Okay, so now the time is 4:53, and we about to wash this junk. So. All done. Hey guys, so it is a few days later and all my clip ends are washed, and I was gonna book a hair appointment, but I'm like, why don't I just try to put them in myself, since this whole thing is just a big DIY. I mean, I dyed them myself. I watched some tutorials and it don't look that hard. So let's see. So when I opened them, they came in like basically already sectioned from my head. So like this one has 4 clips, and then y'all saw this one with 2 clips, and then it's some like, these are both 2 clips, but then it's some like single ones, like this one that is just 1 clip. So they basically go in different sections of the hair. So it's been a couple days, so I'm about to comb these out, and then I already straightened my hair. I don't know if my hair was straight in the video that y'all seen, but I already straightened my hair. And so I'm about to just comb these out, and then I'm about to straighten the clip ends because it has been some days since I washed it, and I wanted to straighten it before I put them in my head anyways after I washed it. So I'm just going to straighten them really quickly, and we're going to put them in, see how they look. Okay, so I got my flat irons on 450. They're heating up right now. And I'm about to start straightening my clip-ins. They're looking pretty good. I have all of my clip ends straightened, and now I am about to start From the video I watched, you're supposed to put the little ones in the front and the bigger ones in the back, which makes sense because it's supposed to like go around your whole head. So I'm gonna just separate these according to where they're supposed to go on my head. And get started. Okay, so I separated all of them. These are the ones with 4, 3, 2, and 1. As y'all can see, it is a lot of hair. So far, the quality of the hair feels really good. It feels, you know, nice and thick, which is good. I don't know if I told y'all, I ordered 2 packs of this hair. I'm pretty sure I did tell y'all I ordered 2 packs. I believe each pack comes with about 7 pieces, but we about to put this in and see how it goes from a person who does not really know how to do this. I'm just going off based off of the videos that I've seen, but I did see, so I'm gonna do a middle part, and I did see that like you start in the back, but you're supposed to section off your hair in 3 sections, so that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so the front part is sectioned off on 2 sides, and I just now have the back. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I finished this half, and I low-key feel like I am cooking. Like, I think it looks really good. So I'm about to do this other half, this other front piece, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what products I'll put on it at the end. But yeah, I'll be back when I'm completely done. Okay, so I know y'all ready to see the finished product, so this is it. Y'all, I actually love it. The length is like perfect. I do need to go get it done professionally so I can get it cut in some layers, because it is like a super blunt cut, but I really like it. It hasn't shedded at all really since I've done it. Like I said, this is not sponsored, so this is my real honest review. For a beginner, for my first time doing this, it was super easy to like grasp the concept of. I love these because I feel like clip-ins is super versatile. Like you could, it take 5 minutes to put in, take 5 minutes to take out. Super quick and easy. Depending on how you put them in, you could put them in to like put your hair up in a ponytail, wear your hair down like I'm doing right now. But yeah, I really love them. They don't look all lumpy and stuff. They look super flat, minimal tension on your hair. So yeah, I kind of, well, I do really like them. I'm just gonna take some of this Hot spray, spray it on my flyaways. And yeah, this is my final products. They don't hurt at all. Look at that. It blends really well with my hair. Especially since I dyed them, like you really cannot see it for real. So, yeah. Alright guys, this is the final product of my Luv Me Hair 20-inch Silky Straight clip-ins. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informational for you and you learned something. I hope that you enjoyed seeing me dye my hair, put in my clip-ins. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.